Hello and welcome you once again in this new session of English language. Today we are going to read about your chapter number 7, that is conjunctions. Conjunctions mean joining words. Conjunctions are the words that are used to connect clauses or sentences or to coordinate with words in the same clause. For example, and, but, if. Now, coordinating conjunction means yes. Coordinating conjunctions means these conjunctions join sentences of the same rank. That is, for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. So, fan boys. F for, a, and, n, nor, b, but, o, or, y, yet, as, so. And is used to join the statement or a words to an equal rank, but is used to join a contrasting or opposition statement. For example, my father is very fond of playing golf, but he does not find time to play it. He loves, but he don't get any time to play it. Then the clerk is very rude, but he is an efficient worker. So now we will fill the exercise A. Mirza Ghalib is considered to be the most famous and influential poet of the Urdu language. It was getting dark, so I switched the light on. Then we complained to the manager about the dirty linen, but in vain. Dhwani and Sia are going to get the President Medal on 25th November. I could not get a book on the history of art at the bookworm, nor could I nor could I get it at Bokaroos. Then sixth one, there is no electricity supply, so we can't watch TV. The farmers in these hills grow apples and walnuts. Do you take milk and sugar in tea? Cash cannot be deposited today as the cashier is on leave. The taxi drivers are on strike today, so you will have to go to work by the metro. Now, correlation conjunctions are either or neither, nor, not only, but also, hardly, when, both, and, so that, then, sincerely, when, no sooner than, rather than, though, yet, whether, or. Now we will do the exercises. Exercise B with the correlation conjunction. See the first one. Sumit will be interviewing the chief minister. Swam will be interviewing the chief minister. So sentence will be like this: either Sumit or Swayam will be interviewing the chief minister. Then the second point, second sentence is Pragya came in from work. Her pet dog Sultan began to pester her for a walk in the park. No sooner Pragya came in from work than her dog, it will be no sooner Pragya came from in work than her pet dog Sultan began to pester her for a walk in the park. Then Mrs. Malini started making puris. Her children clamored around the puris. Hardly had Mrs. Malini started making puris when her children clamored around from the puris. Fourth one. Jaikrit will not be a part of the exchange program with Sweden. Prakrit will not be part of exchange program with Sweden. So neither Jaikrit nor Prakrit be a part of the exchange program with Sweden. Here neither, N-E-I-T-H-E-R, neither Jaikrit nor Prakrit will be a part of the exchange of Sweden. But that's all. Then sixth one, he wants to step down from the post of secretary. He does not want to be a puppet at the hand of the members. He would rather step down from the post of secretary than be a puppet of the hands of the members. Seventh, Meena could join HCL. She could join Infosys. Either or. Either Meena could join HCL or she or Infosys. Then eighth one. Eighth sentence is the guest can be taken to Bukhara restaurant for lunch. They can be taken to Mughal era restaurant for lunch. Either or. Either the guests can be taken to Bukhara restaurant or they can be taken to Mughal era restaurant for lunch. So now move to our subcoordinating conjunction. Subcoordinating conjunction means when a conjunction joins when the conjunction join the main clause and the subordinate clause in a sentence, then it is known as a subordinating conjunctions, because although, till, before, after, if, when, where, while, unless. Although it is raining very heavily, I have to meet my client at Nehru Place. So now we will do the exercises. First is, this is the resort where we stayed on our last trip to Udaipur. Then you cannot go out to play unless Shikha has left the job because reason will be because her office was too far from her place of residence. Rajan will pick us up from the city unless he happens to be the vicinity. Fifth, you must work diligently if you want to succeed in life. Then Uma has to go to Canada for the couple months every year, although she is a citizen of Canada too. The taxi driver was very patient, although the customers was quite impolite to him. Tanya attends a power yoga class while her daughter is at the dance class. Gogo will talk to his mother till he has mailed his assignment. Ashima buys grocery from the nearby shop, although there is a huge discount if she buy it online. So that's all for today's session, student. Follow the video, read the chapter. We will meet in our next session with new topic. Till then, have a nice day and take care of your health.